Hey guys, Dotson Guys here with MarineMax here in Charleston. Today I want to show you guys a brand new customer ordered Scout 215 XSF. This customer chose to get the white hull, standard hull color, as well as the sport package, which includes that soft top T-top, a forward backrest seating, and the aft seat here in the back, which we'll show you guys here in a second. He did choose the Mercury 200 in the standard black, as well as underwater lights on the transom and trim tabs. Just step up inside here. Up here at the helm, he chose to get the 9-inch Garmin, as well as the standard Fusion stereo system. That digital throttle and shift from Mercury Marine, our standard Lumar steering wheel with tiltable helm, and indicator switches for our battery switches. For our trim tab, excuse me. Did do the JL audio upgrade. Standard flip bolster helm seat. Independently. There's our aft seat with storage under the transom. Or under the back seat for our systems access, excuse me. Standard live well. Right here in the back. This customer did get the quick disconnect fender pins, the Fender Pro option. Nice spacious console for storage or changing. This customer did not choose the head option. Our standard bow seating. This customer did get the bow table with dedicated storage. Just underneath there, it's a nice little teak table underneath the fish box cooler seat. Cup holders throughout. Again, more cup holders here in the bow, they're standard. Designated anchor storage. Guys, if you'd have any questions about this particular brand or boat, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. Again, my name is Dotson Guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Thanks and have a great day.